So guys, Continental, Bentley. So let me take you through what we against in terms of the paint correction. So the client request was, don't do whole car, Eric, just defects. So obviously we just do the defects. So I tape it with the green tape where the defects, main defects are from the bird marks. I don't know if camera will pick it up, but defects is actually inside in the lacquer. That's why it's super important thing to ceramic coated or PPF those kind of vehicles. Then we got some scratches on top of the lip there, and all the way down we got long scratch. So like I said, it's super important to PPF or ceramic coating those vehicles, not just to hold the value, but will preserve and protect. In terms of defects, once again, on the door panel, you see those laugh marks. They are from the fingerprints. People close the door, they don't hold the handles. So once again, around here, it's quite bigger defects. See the swirl marks, and over here we got overspray, and this way I realized the car been resprayed all the way back, so whole wing been literally respray. And we got multiple scratches on the bottom, so quite heavily damaged, I would say. Yeah. And on top, like I said, how we know been respray the car, because we got the tape, masking tape, been placed around here all the way down, so we see the lacquer, literally it's curving here from the tape. There's a cut, okay, and on top of that, quite big ones are here. We got some overspray from the lacquer. So guys, like I said, it's super important to preserve and protect the vehicle. We're going to address those defects right now, and tomorrow we're going to receive, obviously, we did the alloys. So that'll be brand new alloy, and we do maintenance detail interior wise, and we put fresh skin in terms of ceramic on top of the car. Okay guys? In terms of interior, guys, as you see, we're going to do maintenance detail, but there's a couple of marks in the middle of the dash. So we're going to polish it with a finer polish and treat it with the laugh, obviously preserve it, protect it by stunning interior, guys. So we're going to do that. Antankara leather and just literally leather conditioners, and bring it back to the showroom condition once again. As a professional detailer, even I am limited, okay? So there's massive big scarf, I'm going to point it on it, just above the, literally, the bumper. Right here, massive scarf, so went through the lacquer, primer, and base coat, literally through everything. So what we're going to do, smart repair. So you would see the magic of the Easy Car detailing team, and we're going to do that tomorrow. And it's even slightly dented. So guys, finally we finished this beautiful project with the Bentley Continental, and what we did, smart repair with front bumper. You would see that in the video, in the shots. We did multiple defects, especially this side, because that side been resprayed, so we took the scratch and bird marks from the bonnet. After that, we carry on, and piano black, they've been treated with the polishing, so it came really nice, I would say. And overall, we preserve and protect the car with ceramic coating as a spray. That was client requirement, and I think the car looks stunning inside out. Guys, protect and preserve your vehicles and protect your investment in the future. So see you with the next one, guys. Hope you like it.